has become my second family now.
Hey, Sony!
Hello!
Aw, man. I really wish I could play basketball right now.
I don't think I could ever do that.
Whoa, a beach event? Sounds chill.
Yeah, that sounds like so much fun!
1, 2, 3, 4 out!
Do you know where... Hey, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Liz!
Hey! What's up?
Hey, CSA meeting? CSA meeting? CSA meeting? CSA?
Oh my god! What is this? Oh no!
You got me hooked up on the feeling. You got me hanging from the ceiling. Got me up so high, I'm barely breathing.
I'm still unsure about joining CSA.
Join CSA!
Trust me, you won't regret it.
Alright,
Might as
give
well.
it a shot.